Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert your USDC to Great British Pounds on Coinbase. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now as you can see, we are currently in our home page on our Coinbase, and from here you can have two options, either deal with crypto or with cash. So as you can see, once you click on cash, it's going to show that you have either set from USDC or euros. Now, if you are living in the UK, then this euro would be Great British Pound. So it's the exact same method, it's just that you have to be a resident in the United Kingdom for you to have that option. So for us to do so, all we have to do is click on buy and sell. And then from here, we're going to sell crypto for cash. And then from here, we're going to select the USDC option. And then from here, you're going to make sure that you are on the sell button. And as you can see, once you click on the euro, once you select here for Great British Pounds, it's going to appear under the cash section. But for now, it's set to euros. And then from here, you can select to sell however much you would like. So for example, 70. And then from here, click on review. And then from here, going to click on sell now. And once that is done, it shows you that the order has been submitted and will reach there anytime. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.